How to fix settings not opening or working in Windows. The first step, you're going to head up with search and type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once run this, we're going to type in SFC space for /scannow and click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as we complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you're going to head with search again and type in Windows Powershell. You want to click on it and then click on Run Administrator and then click on Yes. And now once that's running, you just want to copy and paste the code, which will be down below. In the description, just going to highlight this. You're going to do Ctrl+C, which will copy it, and then click on Paste, and then click on Enter. Now, once that loads up, you're going to go back to CMD. Make sure that your scan's been fully completed, 100% complete. Now you just want to restart your computer and then should be fixed. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.